How do ghost ants compare to other ants? Imagine tiny, almost invisible creatures creeping around your kitchen, looking like little ghosts. That's what ghost ants are like. They are among the smallest ant species, measuring only about 1/16 of an inch, or roughly 1.3 to 1.5 millimeters. To put that in perspective, they are smaller than fire ants and sugar ants, which makes spotting them a real challenge. Their most striking feature is their coloration. They have dark brown to black heads and thoraxes, but their abdomens, legs, and antennae are pale or nearly translucent, giving them a ghostly appearance. This bicolored look makes them stand out compared to other ants that are usually uniformly dark or reddish. When it comes to where they live, ghost ants prefer warm and moist environments. They often nest indoors behind walls, under baseboards, or in potted plants. Outside, they like moist soil or hiding under debris. Unlike fire ants that dig large mounds in open soil, ghost ants are more likely to invade homes, especially in cooler climates with heated buildings. They are very adaptable and can thrive inside homes, making them a common pest in many households. Unlike fire ants, ghost ants do not bite or sting, which makes them less dangerous to humans. However, they can still cause problems because they contaminate food and surfaces as they forage. They walk over countertops, food packages, and utensils, spreading bacteria and creating hygiene issues. Their small size and translucent bodies make them hard to detect, so they can be a sneaky pest. In terms of diet, ghost ants mainly feed on honeydew from plant-feeding insects, as well as sweets like sugar, fruits, and baked goods. They are quite flexible and will also eat small insects if needed. This dietary habit is similar to sugar ants, but ghost ants are more likely to venture indoors and invade food storage areas. From an ecological point of view, ghost ants are a tiny but persistent part of the environment. They can impact local ecosystems by competing with other insects for food or contaminating prey items that reptiles, amphibians, or other insects might rely on. Their nesting habits in moist environments overlap with habitats favored by many amphibians, which can sometimes create ecological overlaps. Compared to other ants, ghost ants are less aggressive and less harmful to humans. They do not pose the threat of painful stings like fire ants do. But because they are so small and hard to see, they can be more difficult to detect and control. Their ability to thrive indoors and their habit of contaminating food make them a notable pest. In summary, ghost ants are quite different from other ants because of their tiny size, translucent appearance, indoor nesting habits, and non-aggressive nature. They are less threatening but more challenging to spot and manage, especially in homes. Their unique look and behavior set them apart from larger, more aggressive species like fire ants or even more common household ants like sugar ants.